Let me get in some BTST trades before we wind up for the week. Kunal, what's on your list?
Two buy calls. The first one is about IRCTC, the stock making a comeback again about 950 plus levels. So would suggest a buy with 1020 as a target. Stop loss could be kept at 925. And for another mid cap name, that's RPSG Ventures. That's a stock which is forming a bullish flag pattern after 3 months of consolidation, breaking past closer to this 800 mark. So would suggest a buy with a target of 860, stop loss at 770.
Right. Vaishali, what about your BTST ideas?
So one would be from the mid cap, and that is Swan Energy. We are looking at 558. So I would say that yes, with a stop loss of 545, one can look for a target of 580. And the other one will be Tata Chemical, because we have seen some volume pickup and some momentum coming in. So I would say it's a comparatively quite a safe bet at this level. With a stop loss of 1105, I would look at target of 1145. And in fact, there's one more which brings to my notice is ONGC, giving a good strong close. So I think this would be a stock which would be ready for a target of 228 to 230 as a BTST, and stop loss would be 219.
Gurmeet, very quickly, in the tactical portfolio, not the core portfolio, ride the wave or book profits here? Okay. Gurmeet has already gone then. In the meantime, let's just begin winding up for the day. And what a fabulous week this has been, right? What started off with an uptick from Reliance Industries just day before has finally been lapped up by the move in IT as a space today. Infosys is finally going home almost higher by 8%. 5.25% of an uptick coming in from TechM as well. You've got LTIM, which is closing in with a 4.6% gain. And then, of course, Wipro TCS as well, holding in tow, well up in the green. In fact, the list doesn't end there as well. Midcap IT as well has participated. So Birlasoft, Coforge, OFS, they've all held out very, very smartly in trade. Reliance as well, less than 1%, but a 1% near about kind of move. Bharti has scaled up quite smartly. We're already sitting at 1070 plus now on Bharti futures. L&T as well perked up higher by about 1.5% today. SBI, ICICI Bank, and remember these have been the laggards of late, at least ICICI Bank really, along with HDFC Bank. So while HDFC Bank is closed in flat today, as is Axis Bank, ICICI Bank and SBI finally perked up. So finally closing in the week with all green on the screen, and we'll wind it up right here. Maybe on adjustment we'll dip a little bit, but we've at least made it to 21,900. Who knows, maybe next week we'll have 22K in store. Already we're less than 100 points away from that mark.